Today topic is simple electric circuit. Simple electric circuit. So in simple electric circuit, first one define the current and unit of the current and circuit. So what is the circuit? What are the electrical components and conductor and insulator and bulb and battery. So again this circuit you can say the series circuit and parallel circuit. So in this we discuss one by one. So coming to the definition of the current. So current, the symbol of current I. So current is nothing but the flow of charge in the conductor. So in the conductor is called as current. So current is nothing but flow of charge. So charge are positive charge as well as negative charge. So in the conductor, the flow of charge is called as current. So in coming to the current, formula I is equal to Q by T. Q is nothing but here charge. Note down everyone. Note down. What is Q here? Charge. T, time. Simply you can define as the rate of flow of charge is called as current. The number of charge flow per time interval. Particular time లో ఎంత చార్జ్ అనేది ఫ్లో అవుతుందని చెప్పడాన్ని కరెంట్ అని అంటున్నాం. వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మై డియర్. The current I is equal to Q by T. Note down everyone. So if you want to calculate time, so realize this T is equal to charge by current. Charge by current. If you want to calculate charge, Q is equal to current into time. Current into time. What is current here? The flow of charge in the conductor is called as the current. The symbol of the current is I. So in coming to the unit of the current. So unit of the current, the standard unit of the current is ampere. Ampere, the symbol is AM or symbol is A. Symbol A. But how to measure current in the device? Or how to find the current is flowing in the device? Or how does the current flow in the circuit? See, by using the instrument name is called as ammeter. So name itself is the ammeter. Meter is nothing but instrument. Ammeter, ampere. So unit of the current, meter, instrument. The instrument which are used for measuring the current is called as ammeter. The symbol of ammeter is A. So definition of the current, formula of the current, unit of the current. So another definition for the another unit of the this current. So the unit of the charge is coulomb. So ampere is equal to coulomb by second. Simply A is equal to C by second. C is nothing but here coulomb. So what is a coulomb? Charge of unit. So unit का charge का unit है coulomb. So C by second. Okay. So like that you want to remember my dear. Next unit, sir. Next circuit. Electric circuit. So what is the coming to the definition of the circuit, my dear? So note down. Circuit is closed or open path. Circuit is closed or open path which are contain electrical components. Which are contain electrical components. Circuit అనేది అది క్లోజ్ గాని ఓపెన్ లో ఉండి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఉంటే అలాంటి పాత్ ఏమంటామంటే సర్క్యూట్ అంటున్నాం. సర్క్యూట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ the closed or open path which are contain electrical components. See here again this circuit divided into two types, series circuit as well as parallel circuit. Series as well as parallel circuit. See here we see one circuit here. Let us, this is the symbol of the battery and switch and fuse on wire bulb are here. So this is called a circuit. So in the circuit what are the components? So this is the component battery, symbol of the battery, next switch, next one fuse, next one is bulb, next wire. So these are the electrical components. So here one of the topic electrical components. So my dear, so tell me any live example for the flow of charge electric, any idea? Currently, so during rainy season, thunderstorm and lightning, so urumulu merupulu vastu untayi, so lightning vastu untundi. So lightning kuda one type of the current. So enduku current antunnamante the lightning form the discharge of charge from cloud to earth. అక్కడ చార్జ్ పార్టికల్స్ అనేవి చార్జ్ అనేది అంటే రబ్బింగ్ ఆఫ్ టూ క్లౌడ్స్ అనేవి ఏ విధంగా డెవలప్ అవుతున్నాయి అంటే ఇక్కడ క్లౌడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చాలా క్లౌడ్స్ హ్యాస్ అ బిగ్ సర్ఫేస్, పెద్ద సర్ఫేస్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ టూ క్లౌడ్స్ ఏముంటున్నాయంటే ఒకదానికొకటి రబ్బింగ్ అవడం వల్ల డ్యూ టు రబ్బింగ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ జనరేట్ హీట్. ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ గైస్. సీ హియర్ the rubbing of two large surface is develop the lot of charge particle. So this charge particle discharge from cloud to earth. So this process is called as the lightning. So here what happening here, the flow of charge from cloud to earth. So this also example for the current, you have to remember, my dear. Okay, and next thing here, these are the electrical components. So here electrical component we see one by one here. Battery. So actually see the symbol of the battery, this one. So what we notice here, one is long terminal, second one is short terminal. This long terminal indicate positive charge and short terminal indicate negative terminal. Short terminal indicate negative and long terminal indicate positive. So this is simple identification of the battery, but inside the battery chemicals are the battery is the cylindrical what I can say can cylindrical మాదిరి ఒకటి ఉంటుంది, and inside the battery chemicals like sulfuric acid, ammonium chloric acid and carbon rod, graphite rod. So everything is present in the battery. But you observe the battery, one end is positive, another end is negative. Simply you are representing with positive and negative. So positive symbol is always the long terminal and negative is short terminal. So So like that you want to remember, my dear. And next one, switch. So switch, now this position is open. On position, off position, off. So now, so this is closed. When switch are on position, on. We switch on. If the switch on, the circuit is closed. Now this circuit is open or closed? Open. There is switch off. If switch off, the suppose bulb, if switch off, bulb does not glow. If switch on, the current will flow through the circuit and bulb will glow. So when switch on, this terminal is contact with another terminal. So two contact. So now we can say that closed circuit. Now open circuit. Now we can say that closed circuit. So when the circuit is closed, the current flow from negative terminal to positive terminal, then bulb will glow. Okay. Again. Next, fuse. So this is the symbol of fuse. Suppose this is a circuit. So the current is flowing heavy, so more than required current. So excess amount of current is flowing to the circuit. What will happen now? Simple. This fuse will melt and break down the circuit. When? So you can say that fuse is a safety device. So fuse is safety device. So why it is called as safety device? To protect the overload. It protects the short circuit. So it protects the overload from the it protect overload to the electrical components. So electrical components like a TV, fan, fridge, AC. So that purpose we are using the fuse here. Fuse is made up of thin metal. It has low melting point. So when heavy current, excess amount of current is flowing to the current circuit, the fuse will melt and break the circuit and open the circuit. When the circuit is open, the current does not flow into the circuit. So that's why it is called as safety device. So nowadays we are using instead of fuse we are using MCB. MCB is nothing but miniature circuit breaker. What is MCB? Miniature circuit breaker. So what is the advantage of this miniature circuit breaker? It acts as like a fuse. When excess amount of current is flowing into the circuit, into the house, automatically switch off. So when automatically switch off, the current does not flow into the circuit and protect the electrical appliance. Do you understand? Miniature circuit breaker, it is act as a fuse. When the excess amount of current is flowing into the circuit and house, it protect from the overload and the short circuit. So overload is nothing but the sudden flow of current into the circuit is called as overload. And electric shock. So electric shock is nothing but when the current, when you touch the live or current wire, the current is entered into our body and still continues the flowing of current into our body. Simply your death will happen. So how the death will happen now? When the current is entered into our body, our body function not work properly. So now we can say that the disturbance of functions of the organ యొక్క ఫంక్షన్ డిస్టర్బ్ కావడాన్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్ అంటున్నాం. సేమ్ ఐడియా. ఈవెన్ దో ద bird sitting on the wire, but they did not get any electric shock. bird did not get electric shock. So what is the reason? The birds are sitting on the wire, did not get any electric shock. Suppose if you try to sit on the wire, you also not get the electric shock. Definitely you get the electric shock only, my dear. So what different you and bird now? So bird bones is made up of spongy like bone is filled with air. That legs are act as what I can say, thermal resistance, heat resistant. సో అవి ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్ని అవి కరెంట్ లోపలికి ఎంటర్ కాకుండా ఎయిర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఎయిర్ ఈజ్ అ గుడ్ ఇన్సులేటర్. సో దట్స్ వై దే డిడ్ నాట్ గెట్ ఎనీ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్. బట్ సమ్ టైమ్ బర్డ్స్ గెటింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్. వై మీన్ సపోజ్ టూ బర్డ్స్ ఆర్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద వైర్, దే ఆర్ ఫైటింగ్ ఫర్ ద ఫుడ్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. సో వెన్ దే ఆర్ స్టార్ట్ ఫైటింగ్ దే ఆర్ సింప్లీ ఫ్లయింగ్. సో ఏం చేస్తాయి, ఎప్పుడైతే రెక్కల్ని ఇలా 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 చేస్తారు రెక్కల్ని. సో ఎప్పుడైతే రెక్కల్ని ఇలా అన్నప్పుడు ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ టూ వైర్స్ను ద పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ 240 వోల్ట్ ఇస్ హై వోల్టేజ్. సో ఇలా అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంటే సర్క్యూట్ ఈస్ క్లోజ్డ్. సో క్లోజ్ సర్క్యూట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ ద కరెంట్ విల్ ఫ్లో అండ్ పొటెన్షియల్ టు ద పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెంట్ దే విల్ గెట్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్ అండ్ డై. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కమింగ్ టు ద బల్బ్. So why is the striking between this striking and next bulb? See, actually the bulb is made up of glass pipe, and here is contain and here inside the bulb is made up of, is called as filament. This contain filament. This filament is made up of tungsten. The Latin name of tungsten is wolfram. The symbol is W. So what is the filament is made up of tungsten. This tungsten Latin name is wolfram. That's why the symbol of tungsten is we are representing with W here. Thomas Alva, who discovered the bulb is Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, this is a simple bulb, and from this we are taking filament and representing here. This is bulb does not glow. Does not glow. But in term of this bulb glow. Bulb will glow. Bulb will glow. Okay. So now battery and switch, fuse, bulb and wire. So what happening in the battery now? Give you an idea. So which principles are involved in the battery? The chemical are present in the battery. This chemical energy convert into electrical energy. Electrical energy. So when the switch on in the circuit, the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. This electrical energy flow into the circuit. Then electrical appliances are glow. And next one, here conductors and insulators. Conductor and insulator. So what are the examples for conductor? The substance which are contained or which allow current passes through it. The substance which are allow current passes through it is called a conductor. So insulators, the substance which does not allow current passes through it is called as insulator. So insulator, for example, what you want to do? Wood, stone, eight also insulator. Wood insulator. So does not allow current passes through it. and boost conductor. So in boost conductor, see here, metals are boost conductors. Okay. Next, we coming to the types of the circuit. So what kind of circuit do you know? So now we discuss two kind of circuit. One is series and second one is parallel circuit. Parallel circuit. So what is the difference between here series and parallel? So in coming to the series, see the, for example, so take the battery here, battery positive and negative terminal, and take another battery. So how many batteries are there here? How many batteries? 3 batteries. So positive, negative, positive, positive and negative. So 3 batteries and switch, and here bulb and fuse and wire. So what do you observe here? So the battery are connecting here. See here, negative terminal of the first battery connect to the positive terminal of the second battery, and negative terminal of the second battery connect to the positive terminal of the third battery. So how the arrangement? Negative, positive, alternate. Negative, positive. So negative terminal connect to the positive and positive terminal connect to the negative. Such connection, such type of connection is called as series connection. So what are the advantages of, what are the disadvantages of this series circuit now? So where did you find the series circuit? So for decoration of the bulb, so in marriage function, any occasions, any family functions and festivals, we are decorating the temples, and marriage we are decorating function halls by decorating bulbs. The decorating bulbs, all the bulbs are arranging in series. So in the case of series circuit, the flow of current only in the one path. The series circuit, it has only one path for flow of current. Series circuit లో కరెంట్ అనేది ఒక్క పాత్లోనే వెళ్తుంది. If suppose any one junctions are open, remaining all the bulbs are does not glow. Series. So decorating bulbs, the flow of current only one direction, only one path. The bulb is glow dim, less intensive. So చాలా తక్కువగా వెలుతురుని సిరీస్ అనేది ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే మై డియర్. సపోజ్ నెక్స్ట్ we'll discuss parallel here. So for parallel circuit, for flow of current, it has more path. So where did you find in parallel circuit? Household. So where did you find here series? In top to right also we find the series and decorative bulbs. Torchlight. In torchlight we find series connection, and decorative bulbs also you find series. On household, hospitals, on vehicles and schools. See here, circuit here. So what you want to do is, the battery, long terminal and the short terminal. Next, long terminal, short terminal, long terminal, short terminal. So positive and negative. So all positive, all negatives, all positive together, all negatives are together. Positives అన్ని ఒక చోటికి, negatives అన్ని ఒక చోటికి ఒక కమాండ్ వేస్తున్నాం. Okay, for flow of current, suppose the middle cell is damaged. Okay, this current will flow this path, and current flow will this path, current flow this path. So 1, 2 and 3. The flow of current, it has 3 paths. So first path break అయితే second path లో వెళ్తుంది, third path లోకి current అనేది flow అవుతుంది. So now circuit here, see. So it is positive and switch and bulb and fuse and wire. So that is arranged like this. So it has more path. So more path is nothing but more than 2 paths. And the current, the bulb glow bright. Here dim. So less amount of current will flow. So once I am repeating, so series and parallel. Okay. An example for torch light, negative bulbs, current flow in dim, the flow of it has, so parallel circuit, it has more than one path, more than one path. So where can we use household and hospitals, vehicles and schools,